Keep it under 100, lady. Hey guys, just checking in. I just haven't been inspired to make videos lately, but hey, it's Friday, late Friday. I think I'm gonna throw together a little video for you, just because I'm that kind of guy.
David's just a good guy.
Yeah, it's that time of year again, pressure washer time. Hey, Hotsy, wash. So we bought this truck from Dad's cousin Joe. Joe, I think you watch these videos. Doesn't this bug deflector drive you nuts? One of the more famous bug deflectors on YouTube. Wouldn't that drive you nuts, Joe? I can't believe you haven't driven up here with a new one. Put one on there just because it bothers your OCD almost, or probably worse than mine. But maybe I can do something to help that. So I found the chunk, a bug deflector that broke out of there. Oh yeah, that's much gooder right there, much gooder. I just wish I wouldn't have thrown that piece away. I could have taped that back in. Boy, you can't even tell from back here. That looks pretty good. Real McCoy said if this video gets 1,000 likes, he will personally buy and install a bug deflector for us. No, he didn't.
Oh my gosh, I was about to forget. Lord have mercy. Mud, some director you are. Well, I have to. Thank you, David Haley.
I like when you pressure wash the wheels like that, or the tires. Then yeah, never mind. Well, the corner of the cab, the textured paint I did on here, held up really well last year. Pretty pleased with that. Yeah. It's on the corner of the cab. Good doggy. Good doggy. Remember me painting this? God, it looks good, doesn't it? Oh, that's a pretty blue. Love that color. Actually, you know, it's still nice and shiny. Why? Because we didn't use it. Oh yeah. Real McCoy likes my diamond plate underneath the doors. Well, this trailer's still looking nice. I painted that, yeah, that's a year and a half ago now, 2 years ago. But we didn't use that one either. But we did use that one, or Todd did. Oh, Kenworth, you're still looking nice. My paint job stayed on through the winter. Must have been all that snow sitting on there that held the paint on. Because we didn't use that one either. But in all fairness, we didn't use this one either. But it doesn't have an engine in it. Good doggy. That's how good a trailer can look if you paint it, or if I paint it, that's all the better it can look. And this is a trailer that's never been blasted and painted. It's looking a little rough. But you know what's looking really rough is this thing. Our chipper, our 4036 Moorbark. Oh, Moorbark, your paint is garbage. Oh, what's going on here? I took the alternator off because the bolt was wearing through. Yeah. The paint just looks tough. Oh, don't look there. Well, this snowplow is so tired from all the snow it plowed last winter, it's got to take a breather on a trailer. Yeah, that's not true. The end of the cylinder, that bracket, right? Broke off right there. That's what needs to be fixed there. This is the one that's probably tired from pushing all that snow. Oh, Dean, this is Dean's project. He was kind enough to tear into this and tear the hydraulic pump out of there. Because it's split. This girl got a lot of snow pushing last winter. Good job, D6. Oh, my paint job on this held up very well last winter, too. Again, didn't do anything. That one did it all. Uh-oh. Got rid of the winter air, I see. If you slash a lot of ironwood, like really old ironwood, does it get the blade all rusty? Just asking for a friend. Did take the center boards out of the low boy here. Actually, we flipped it up on its side. I think I have a picture or a clip of that. Pressure washed all that out. Dean helped me, or I helped him. We both did it, whatever. We tag teamed it. Got this little cleaned up. Except for Mike McCoy. Every time I see a ramp, I think of you. That ramp belongs over there. But the delimiter tore it off when it was loading. Mike's got a funny story about ramps. Maybe not a metal ramp, more of a plant, I think. Got her washed up. Most of the paint is still on there pretty good. Obviously, it scraped that off. For all you people that ask about why, if we ever try a processor, we have a processor. We've tried it. We're trying it. The Timco's got a kink in its neck. Go to the chiropractor. One delimiter, two delimiter. You guys don't match. One's green, one's yellow. I thought you were twins, but apparently you're not. Oh, skitter time. Skitter time. Skitter time. There's something behind this skitter that doesn't look right. That's why you don't look right. You actually carry your wood out of the woods. Huh? Carry your wood out of the woods? Never mind. You know what I mean. The Kardashian skidder got a new tire last winter. Still holding air. Yeah, I don't know why I'm surprised. Looks good. So that 1990 logging videotape that I found. See, we still have the Barco 140. Still in pristine condition. Except for maybe the windshield. Seems like there used to be like a Timber King buncher sitting right here. That's gone. Well, Angie, come and get your R model. It's ready whenever you are. Geez, 388, you're looking a little pale. You feeling all right? We need to get you out and running, don't we? You've been sitting there too long. Oh, I forgot to... Oh, nice doggy. Nice doggy. Kink in the neck. There, I just took you on a quick little yard tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, everybody have a great weekend. Stay safe. Add value. See ya, trucks. See you Monday. Oh wait, I have a dentist appointment Monday. I won't see you Monday.
she's a making, so I guess that's good. I don't know.
Hey, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, Mitchell.
Ready?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Woo!
Fire Captain Tom says, thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.
Do it again.